your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. The CEO Hello and welcome to the weekend of the Nedbank Cup. It's around this time where teams know how bad or how good their season is going. The Nedbank Cup is the final opportunity for teams who've not been doing well to get some sort of silverware. For Orlando Pirates, they got the MTN 8, so they're good this season. Although August or September was a distant memory ago, they will still want something else and something more. For Chiefs, it's really last chance saloon. For Marumo Gallants, maybe they're surprised that they got to this point, but it's an opportunity for them to get something in the bag as well. In this video, we'll talk about Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs as well. That's a big game. They're not playing for the first time, of course. Sundowns better than Kaizer Chiefs. However, it's a knockout game. What can Kaizer Chiefs do? Before we do that, thank you very much, Junior, for joining us. Before sikhulume Chiefs and Sundowns, I don't want us to dwell too much on Marumo Gallants and Pirates, but do you see any surprises there? Just a quick prediction.
Yeah, I don't see much of a surprise. I think Marumo Gallants badlala neklaphu enkulu and one of the toppiest team in South Africa currently. Them and Sundowns experience in terms of international football, ngikhuluma Orlando Pirates. So Marumo Gallants, yes, they got a new coach, but I don't think pound to pound they'll match Orlando Pirates in quality.
So Pirates win for you?
Yeah, it's a Pirates win, straight win.
All right. Kaizer Chiefs need to do something against Sundowns, but of course Sundowns is bigger and better than Kaizer Chiefs in terms of competitive squad, achievements over the last 7 years, and even this season they are better than Sundowns. Sundowns are better than Chiefs. Sundowns have defeated Chiefs multiple times. At the FNB Stadium, they beat them, I think, 4-0 towards the beginning of the season as well. With Kaizer Chiefs being their last trophy opportunity, what do you think is the mindset from the dressing room, from the management? What are they telling the players?
4 games without the win, aside in the Kaizer Chiefs, very under pressure for them keeping their place to top 8. Nabi, I don't think we has with Melans and much. I think he's even lost confidence to himself and his players. And truly speaking, the pressure is mounting to the coach. This is the last chance for him. It's a break it or make it. This is not the easy game. It's not going to be a walking park for both teams.
In games like this, do you expect the management to walk into the dressing room or good training, babies meeting during a training, it's a semi-final? It's our last chance to win a trophy. It's been 10 years since I win a trophy.
Yeah, especially Kaizer Chiefs. They gave the guy the preseason with the teams. I'm sure he started himself in a technical team. That's why I'm making a technical team. But the thing is, he's not winning. The way club foot is not even convincing that he can turn the table around. So he's going to be told. Already he's been told, probably. So shimshit expected kunama 11 ayithu kuzoba ne coach neyakhe and he cannot use his makazosebenzisa yakhe must win. So he's playing against the best team in the country and in Africa as a continent. There's one of the best team in Africa as well. Lot of high profile players, if not mistaken, about 8 or 7 starters in Bafana. Very experienced in terms of international football. These games like this, they used to that. They used to even bigger games than this. In Champions League, Mangabu Zoamba will dominate Esperance at home. They dominated the Esperance yesterday. A day before yesterday, I think on Wednesday, if not mistaken. I am 50 Sundowns pound to pound. I don't think Chiefs will match. And the West Part, they're playing at Love Stars. The pitch will allow Sundowns to do as much as they want. It's not going to be easy game, but psychological players at Kaizer Chiefs.
What do you expect Nabi to do? Clearly, he's not going to open up because he might concede a lot of goals to keep himself alive. Because the last game by Dalile 1-0 Ribeiro, it was a closer game than Lua 4-0 Wakala. League. Do you expect the same thing from Onabu Guti? Whatever we do, let's keep it respectable. Let's deprive them of our opportunity, but not our opportunities in the front 3 as Sundowns. Do you expect the Chiefs to be more defensive? What do you expect Nabi to do?
Yeah, he's gonna play a low block, relying actually Chiefs, Chiefs counter attack, and Noguchi. He's going to wait for a moment. Decide Chiefs ends a mistake at the back, Sundowns ends a mistake at the back, and also punish them. But truly speaking, me Nanjogu Pendul is going to play with 3 center back. For me, I know he's going to pack the midfield, and angiboni kuzoba maybe might see only one striker yabona ngikhuluma you might see mhlambe lo mfana lo Morris
or Dupree.
I see Dupree mina him alone there and then the whole team must come and defend. Mina ngimbona zodlala kanjalo. Maybe it can be Dupree and Modi. Yamthanda Modi. Nelinye igazi ele coach le yangwenyale. So you can play Dupree aphume ngayo kuphela and then the whole team must defend. He might say mindset ngcono kube draw and then ngipush iSundowns kuma penalty like my penalty because pound to pound in game I don't think he can make Sundowns. Sundowns they don't play for a draw. They've got a team. He has in Umshishi is not playing one of the best players around the country. The best player in the country, let me put it that way. In the history making as well. He's the best player. Also, and he's not even playing currently. Libusa, best defender, is not even playing. Neumayema, best player as well, attacking, he's not even playing. Kulis is not even playing. So, at Sundowns, irrespective of TDP lineup, I don't think he will make Sundowns.
Do you expect Sundowns, given that on Tuesday this week, they were in Tunisia? Of course, maybe they came back to the country on Wednesday. So if they have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so that's enough rest. 3 days rested and training a little bit. But do you expect maybe to have 6 new faces in the lineup?
I don't think they will have so much to change. It's Sundowns, each and every game, they take it as a cup final. I know with Guna match, especially playing against Chiefs. The Chiefs against Sundowns, they become stubborn. Playing Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs, they become a different team. They get highly motivated. Just go by quality. But Mina Sundowns, I see they're gonna continue with the same team. But Mina, I see
more or less the same lineup
yes.
From Tuesday.
Yeah, Lunga Mhlambe is gonna go out. I see Mhlambe Mdiba starting. Also Mdao coming out. I see Mrena coming in. And also for me, Mang Cheka up front, I see Reina starting the game. Salis coming on the bench. And the goalkeeper will be the same. There's match fitness, but Mvala, they can say yes. We play against Chiefs, we don't care. He can play. And which is a hardworking player, disciplined, dedicated as well. And a figure fit like a club. So yes, new face, but not much. Sometimes they're gonna go the way buying a corner.
All right, let's wrap it up then. 60 seconds. What do you see on Sunday?
2-0.
2-0 to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Specific Shalom.
Glody Lilepo.
Skele.
He'll score. He'll score.
Glody. Unale umrena or umdawo.
He's a new age Mbesuma.
Indaba mangathola umdawo izoba ijive, might him defending. Le umdawo ngamenza ibhara. But true, umjidi threat, especially for the team, kulama play quality now. We ngathi threat naksi wow, but umjidi unayo le nto le.
Glody.
Iskele.
He's a top striker that one.
Yeah. Ile mvule babnyama besa yi.
2-0 for you, no goal from Chiefs.
Yeah, Chiefs izoba some izoba nama moment. Akusi team ngayinyathi. Yabo baba na this thing yokuthi babe inspired, especially babe encouraged playing against Sundowns and Pirates. Bavele bangichoose mara I don't think they've got the quality to go to bypass Ronan Williams.
So in other words, the final will be between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, simple. Lezi black ezimnyama ngenkani. The best attacking team in the country, Pirates. Ngiyayinika mfethu and against the best position team in the country. I think they are on the final, both of them.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. You agree or disagree? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget as well, this video is sponsored by World Sports Betting. If you want to put your money, if you trust yourself with these predictions, you can open an account on World Sports Betting and put your money on these matches and so many more. Of course, the English Premier League, the La Liga, and everything else that's happening in Bahrain, in the F1. Lewis Hamilton racing for Ferrari, trying to make a meaningful impact with his new team, whilst Max Verstappen is continuing with his domination, although the McLarens, Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri, are in the front running to perhaps win the Bahrain Grand Prix. So many sporting events that you can put your money on. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, or Sports Betting. For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiskiTV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiskiTV.